Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today we're doing the guitar lesson for Hawala Schools for spring break. This is the second part. So last time we went over the four chords and the scale, and what we're going to do this week is work on some right hand stuff, and we're going to try to pick out not so much a melody but a foundation for a chord progression. Okay, so we're going to use those same four chords, and we're going to use the right hand to kind of change things around. So it's going to get a little bit tricky, but bear with me. Okay, so the first part is going to be the C chord, which you guys already know, right? And we're going to take our pick, and I'm going to go, okay, so I pick the C note first, the fifth string, and I go down, up, down, up. Now I'm going to take that same finger, that third finger that I used to hold that C note, and I'm going to put it up to the top string. And so it's going to be on the G note, on the third fret of the top string. So, and we repeat, right? So pick, down, up, and then we go to the next string, pick, down, up, and we do this twice. And then now we're gonna go. Okay, so what that was I'm holding the C chord and I'm picking that third fret, second fret, then open. Okay, so what it looks like is this. Right at the A minor, we do the same thing there. So I'm still holding the A minor, and I'm going to pick 4, 3, and I'm going to go to the F chord, and I'm going to pick the F note, which is on the 4th string. Okay, so, and then alternate between the 4th and the 5th. And then now we're going to keep this shape, and we're going to go. Okay, so as we're moving up from the F chord to the G chord, I'm going to pick that 4th string and go 1, chromatically go up half a step, and one more. Alright, so here's the example. And to go back to the C, we're going to go. Okay, so where we had our G, we're going to take that note and go chromatically back. Okay, so 5th fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret, and go right back into the C chords. Alright, so all together we have this. We just started over. Okay guys, so that's what you're practicing this week. But what we're going to do is take a close-up of my left hand so you can start to see the way I change the chords, and just kind of use the economy of motion on my left hand. Alright, so here we have our C shape. Now notice I'm playing the C string. I down strum and I up strum, and then I use my ring finger to go up to the G string. And then the next move is to go, and I'm picking the 5th string, and then go to the A minor. Alright, so once we get to the A minor chord, I'm hitting the 5th string first, which is the A string. So I hit that, down, up, then I hit the top string, which is the 6th string, open, and back to the A, and then I go to the 3rd string, which is that note right here where I'm holding with my 2nd finger, and then my 4th finger, or my 4th string, and I go to the F chord. And I'm going to play that same string. So it's what's happening right there. But I'm holding A minor, so I'm going to go, and then I put my fingers here like this, yeah. And then my pinky is going to go there because that's where the F chord holds it. So we got. And so now I'm alternating between these two. And then we're going to go. Okay, so. And that's on that 4th string where my pinky's holding. Pick, pick, pick. And then we alternate again between these two, yeah. So we're gonna go. And then we go backwards here, back to the C. So if you see it happen, it all kind of happens in one motion, really. And that's what we want. We want to try to get the economy of motion to work out that way. All right, folks, so that's it for this week. So work on that. It's going to be kind of difficult getting your fingers to go through this motion, but once you get it, repetition is the mother of skill. It'll become much easier. We'll work on adding to this for next week when I see you in person. So aloha.